Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are into crypto or just getting started, CoinMarketCap is a must-know tool for tracking prices, researching coins, and making better investment decisions. In this video, I will give you a complete beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use CoinMarketCap in 2025. Let's get started. CoinMarketCap or CMC is the most popular website for tracking crypto prices, market trends, and historical data. It provides real-time information on cryptocurrency ranking like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoin, live price updates and market caps, trading volume and price history, exchanges and liquidity data, crypto news, airports, airdrops, and educational resources. When you first open coinmarketcap.com, you will see a list of cryptocurrencies ranked by market cap. Here's how to navigate the homepage. Top bar: Bitcoin and Ethereum prices, trading coins, and latest news. Search bar: type in any coin to get detailed information. Market data: rank, price, market cap, volume, and supply for each coin. Trading and gainers, losers section shows which cryptos are moving up or down the most. The overview helps you quickly check market trends and track the top cryptocurrencies. Let's dive deeper into a coin details. Click on any coin, let's say Bitcoin or BTC. Current price and market cap shows real-time price, 24-hour change, and total market value. Historical data: view past prices, highs and lows over different time frames. Charts and technical indicators. Use TradingView, charts for technical analysis. Exchanges tab and exchanges tab. See which exchanges support the coin and compare liquidity. News and community tab. Stay updated with the latest developments on that cryptocurrency. By analyzing these metrics, you can make informed investment decisions. If you invest in multiple cryptocurrencies, CoinMarketCap's portfolio tracker helps you manage them all in one place. In the dashboard, click on portfolio and give it a name. Add your coins by clicking add transaction. Track your total gains, losses, and assets performance over time. This feature is great for monitoring your crypto investments without using without using, without, 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 using, w and exchange. Want to keep an eye on specific cryptocurrencies? CoinMarketCap's wishlist let you track coins easily. Watchlist. Watchlist lets you track coins easily. Click watchlist in the top menu. Search for search for a coin and click the star icon like BTC. Check your watchlist anytime to see price updates and trends. This is useful if you are researching new cryptos before investing. And that's it. Now you know how to use CoinMarketCap like a pro in 2025, whether you are tracking crypto prices, managing a portfolio, or finding new airdrops. CMC is an essential tool for any crypto investor. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching.